Chapter 1. Computer Networking. In this chapter, we learn computer network, advantages of networking, applications of networking, types of computer network, internet and intranet, networking devices, network topology, protocol. What is network? A network is a group of things connected with one another. Example: ATM machine, telephone lines, cable TV, railway connected to each other. These are examples of network. Computer network. A computer network is a collection of computers connected to share resources with each other. Here, resources means hardware devices like printer and scanner, some documents, and computer programs. The computers are connected using a communication medium such as cable, telephone line, or a satellite. A computer network enables or allows computers to share printers, exchange files, etc. The biggest computer network is the Internet. Advantages of networking. There are various advantages of networking: data sharing, security, efficiency, less hardware cost. Data sharing. Multiple users can easily share the information and resources at the same time over the network. Security. Network allows security by ensuring that only the authorized users may have access to files and applications. Efficiency. Any changes, modification, upgradation, and deletion of data or software can be done at a single point, only using network. Less hardware cost. The hardware devices like printer, scanners, modems, etc. can be easily shared in a network. This reduces the cost of hardware equipment. Applications of networking. Networking has become an important part of business, industries, education, entertainment, etc. Some of the applications of the network are electronic messaging. We can send and receive email to anyone in any part of the world by using the internet. Electronic data interchange, EDI. EDI is a method of transferring data over the internet. Teleconferencing. It is of two types. First, voice conferencing. Second, video conferencing. Voice conferencing. In voice conferencing, user can communicate over the phone. In video conferencing, user can see as well as talk to one another. Electronic fund transfer, EFT. EFT allows the user to transfer money without going to a bank. ATM is a kind of electronic fund transfer used to withdraw amount. Similarly, internet banking is also a EFT.